There are two arguments for going off the fiscal cliff that I don't like. One is this wink, wink, nudge, nudge. We need to tell the American people one thing and tell financial markets something else. That's not going to work. Right. The other argument I don't like for going off the fiscal cliff was the Republicans were really reckless and crazy in the debt ceiling negotiations in 2011, and therefore the Democrats have the right to be reckless and crazy now. Having said that, I don't like either of those two arguments going off the fiscal cliff. I think the bigger issue is the way Washington tends to take complex issues, which is what should we do for the economy in the short term, what should we do for the budget in the long term, and then it crystallizes those issues down to one ridiculous discussion: should we do this or should we do that? That is not the choice we face. The choice we face is not, do we go off the fiscal cliff or do we not go off the fiscal cliff? The issue we face is, how do we boost the economy in the short run? How do we deal with the budget term? How do we deal with the budget in the long term? Those are the real questions. And it turns out, I think at least, given the structure of policy, the right thing to do now would be to enact a temporary stimulus package that did not involve the Bush tax cuts. It could involve payroll tax cuts. It could involve infrastructure investments like Senator Toomey mentioned. It could involve aid to the states, which are struggling right now. But enact an explicit temporary stimulus package and meanwhile go over the fiscal cliff.